Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something that's literally all around us and powers our entire digital life. Wi-Fi. We have been using them since many years now and seen those numbers Wi-Fi 6, Wi-Fi 7. But what do you actually mean by Wi-Fi 6 and 7? I'm going to talk about in depth about what those numbers mean. And with each new generation, the question gets bigger. It's a wireless finally ready to replace the trusty Ethernet cable for good? Is it so? We're going to find out. In this video, we are going to break down difference between Wi-Fi 6, 7 and the futuristic Wi-Fi 8. We look at the pros and cons of each and talk about what the future of wireless connectivity looks like. Let's go into the learning what these Wi-Fi's are. Let's start with the standard you probably heard of and maybe even have in your home. Right now, Wi-Fi 6, officially known as 802.11ax. This was a massive leap forward, but it wasn't just about raw speed. Wi-Fi 6 was all about efficiency, especially in crowded spaces. Key features of Wi-Fi 6: OFDMA, orthogonal frequency division multiple access. If you could think about it, what it is like an older Wi-Fi generation where likely a delivery truck that could only deliver a package at a time. OFDMA lets that truck carry multiple packages from different devices simultaneously. This makes it more efficient for small data packets, reducing latency and making everything feel smoother. Majorly used for the gamers. This technology, which was improved in Wi-Fi 6, allows the router to talk to multiple devices at once. It, in older versions devices, I had to wait for their turn. Now the router can have a conversation with up to 8 devices simultaneously. And again, third feature was target wake time (TWT). This is a huge one for the battery life. TWT lets the devices and the router schedule their communication so your phone or your smart home gadget can sleep and save power when it does not transmit data. MUMIMO, you must have heard about it. It's been a buzzword for Wi-Fi users. Multi-user, multi-input, multi-output. It's majorly used for the gamers. This technology, which was improved in Wi-Fi 6, allows the router to talk to multiple devices at once. We are going to talk about the pros and cons of this technology. We'll start with the pros. Much better performance in crowded networks, improved battery life for devices, and speeds up to a theoretical 9.6 Gbps. Drawbacks: the main issue is that to get the full benefits, you need to have a device which supports Wi-Fi 6. So you need specifically compatible device with Wi-Fi 6. Without that, you're not going to get that most speed juice out of it. Now let's talk about the new kid on the block, Wi-Fi 7 or 802.11be. I repeat, 802.11be. This is where things get truly exciting and a lot of the speculation about replacing Ethernet starts to make sense. Wi-Fi 7 is all about extremely high throughput. The key features include a 320 MHz channel. This is a big one. Wi-Fi 7 doubles the channel width of Wi-Fi 6 from 160 MHz to massive 320 MHz. Think of it like an expanded. The key features of Wi-Fi 7. The first key feature is makes a major change. It's 320 MHz channel. This is the big one. Wi-Fi 7 doubles the channel width from Wi-Fi 6, which was using earlier 160 megahertz. It's a massive leap to 320 megahertz. Think of it like expanding a two-lane highway to a four-lane highway. More lanes means more data can flow at once, leading to crazy fast speeds. 4QAM. What does it stand for? 4096 QAM. This tech increases the data density of the signal. In simple terms, it's like a it's like a packing more information each radio wave, allowing for a 20% increase in transmission rates compared to Wi-Fi 6. The other features are like multi-link operation MLO. This is a total game changer. MLO lets devices use two different frequency bandwidths like 5 gigahertz and 6 gigahertz at the same time to send and receive data. It's like your device having two parallel connections, which dramatically boosts speed, lowers latency, and makes connections incredibly reliable. Preamble puncturing. What does it mean? This is a clever fix for interference. Instead of having to abandon an entire channel because of small obstruction, Wi-Fi 7 can puncture or block or out just the problematic part, continue using the rest of the channel. It's a very smart move on Wi-Fi 7. Pros and cons. We are going to talk about pros and cons of Wi-Fi 7. Theoretically, speeds up to 46 Gbps, incredibly low latency, perfect for VR and AR, and gaming as well, and much better performance in extreme dense environments. This is what a Wi-Fi 7 can give you. And there are some drawbacks though. It's like a new standard, so devices and routers are just starting to adopt it. So it will take some time and it's still now expensive. So people going for Wi-Fi 7, it will take some time for everybody to adopt. And there are very less devices who support Wi-Fi 7. Again, uh, also got very fast blazing 320 megahertz channels. Yeah, you need to begin in 6 gigahertz band with a shorter range and struggles to pen. That is the major problem in it. Since this is a high band, it struggles to penetrate to walls. If you have thought of Wi-Fi 7 is too fast, get ready for the future. The next generation is already being planned under the codename 802.11bn. I will repeat 802.11bn, which will likely be called Wi-Fi 8. While the specifications are still being defined by the IEEE, the directions is very clear. Wi-Fi 8 is moving beyond the peak speeds. The focus is shifting to ultra reliability and coordination. We are talking about things like multi-app coordination. So multi-AP coordinations means this will allow you to have multiple access points in a mesh like a network to work together seamlessly, eliminating drop connections as you move around large areas. So when you're jumping from one network to another network, being in a network, you will be have very little drops, which you will nearly find when you go around from one hop to another hop in a larger area. There will be lower latencies, better QoS, quality of service. It will be prioritized depending on the mission critical data, making it ideal for industrial automation, self-driven cars, super sensitive devices. Wi-Fi 8 is going to bring a revolution. They are more focused on stabilizing Wi-Fi rather than increasing speed. Again, the modulation schemes are higher. So we are looking at 8192 QAM to pack even more data in the signal. The pros and cons, we need to know that as well. Pros: unprecedented reliability, near lossless connectivity, and the ability to manage massive high density networks with flawless performance. Drawbacks: this is still very much a future. standard. So there are no products, and the final specification are not yet set. It will be likely a complete overhaul of current wireless infrastructure, and devices when it arrives would be possibly somewhere around 2028 or later. With all these incredible advances, does it mean that there is an end of the line for Ethernet cable? The short answer is probably not entirely. Here's why. Reliability and latency. For the most critical tasks, the competitive gaming, video editing, and running a server, a wired connectivity is still a king. The physical cables provide a direct, uninterrupted path for data, ensuring zero packet loss and the lowest possible latency. So, wires are going to be there when it comes to server infrastructure. You could be using wireless networks for your AR, VR, or your gaming in future, but where there is huge data, too much of crowd, wireless would not be an option. Speed, while Wi-Fi 7 theoretically speeds are amazing, theoretically the speeds are very amazing. They are often shared across many devices. So as many devices join on your Wi-Fi, there is a possibility of congestion, which usually does not happen on Ethernet ports. They can deliver a full advertised speed of your internet plan to a single device consistently. Security is a major challenge when it comes to Wi-Fi. Signals can be intercepted even with a modern encryption. A wired connection is physically secure and much harder to break. That said, wireless technology is rapidly closing the gap. For the average user, streaming, browsing, working from home, Wi Fi 7 is the future, and its standards are going to be very good. The experience is going to be very good. It's fast, reliable, and the need for cable is becoming a distant memory, but it's going to be there. The future isn't one replacing other, but rather each playing a specialized role in concept world. Um, there you have it. The wireless world is moving at a breakneck pace, and it's an exciting time to be a tech enthusiast. What do you think? Are you ready using Wi-Fi 6? Already using Wi-Fi 6? Are you holding out for Wi-Fi 7? Let me know in your comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. For more tech deep dives, I will see you in my next one. Thank you.